After making a bearish candle on a Friday, the price has yesterday created a bullish candle. It is a small one where the price could not manage to return back close to this resistance level, 3351.42. The price has had a wick on the lower side and a wick on the upper side, but with a small body, which means there was indecision between the buyers and the sellers. Nobody could push the price in any of the directions. So we can see how the price has behaved. If you take a look here from the yesterday, what has happened, the week started with this bearish candle touching the 4-hour support level, 3295.24. From here, the price reversed back up, reaching the first resistance level, 3325.75, making a bullish breakout. But we can see it is also confirmed a bullish breakout is a valid one, but the price could not manage to continue to rise in value. After that, the price formed a bearish candle where the price is returned back down, and we can see where the price currently is. On the 1 hour time frame, yesterday how the price has behaved, we can see the price when bouncing from this area of support at 3295.24, the price continued to rise in value. We can see that reaching higher price levels, and we can see also a bullish breakout on the 1 hour time frame, similar as a 4 hour time frame. And it has been also confirmed with this second candle, not returning back down, but after 2 candles, the price returned back down. We can see continuing to lose its value, and where it currently is, it is at the 1 hour support level 3305.89. Based on this one, what we can see here, we can see that on the 1 hour time frame, we are currently in the bearish trend. Then it is a small bullish, but it has currently returned to the bearish. On the 4 hour time frame, we can see the price has been inside this bearish trend, returned slightly, but it was currently, we can see this is a bullish breakout that he could not manage to push the price up. The price returned back down. On the daily time frame, we can see the price is currently in the bearish trend, where this bearish breakout has been confirmed with this candle yesterday, where the price did not manage to return back above this area of resistance. So what I can see currently, everything is pointing that the price will continue to lose its value. So currently I am expecting that the price will go down further and reach this area of support 3285.99 as the first level, and as the final one is a daily support at 3272.61. This is everything that we can see currently what is happening on the market, but first of all we need to see the price making a bearish breakout below this area of support, where the price currently is at 3305.89. When the price manages to make a bearish breakout below this area of support, it will try to move further down, targeting 3272.61 I have just mentioned. But also on the daily time frame, we can see that this is an area as support around 3287. If we go here to the 1 hour time frame, 3287, it will be 3285.87. So this is the first support level where the price is targeting, and it will try to move further down. This is the target for today. Then we'll see what happens around this area of support. Also feel free to check the premium analysis, where I share the breakouts with the traders, when the breakout happens, what is the take profit and stop loss for these signals. That's all for today. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.